If Microsoft Edge is showing error codes and pages are not loading properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to fix the issue fast. We'll go through 3 proven methods: clearing your browsing cache, resetting browser settings, and disabling conflicting extensions. These are some of the most common fixes when Edge starts acting up, and they can solve a lot of loading problems, sign-in issues, and strange browser errors. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, let's start with clearing your browsing cache. Over time, Edge stores temporary files, cookies, and website data that can become corrupted and cause error codes. To clear them, open Microsoft Edge and click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go down to Settings, then select Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll until you see Clear Browsing Data, then click Choose what to clear. Set the time range to all time for the best results. Make sure to check cached images and files, and if needed, also check cookies and other site data. Then click Clear Now. Once that finishes, restart Edge and try the website again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If the error code is still there, the next step is to reset browser settings. This is useful if something in Edge has been changed, broken, or misconfigured. To do this, go back into Settings, then click Reset Settings from the left-hand menu. Select Restore Settings to their default values. Then click Reset to confirm. This will reset startup pages, new tab settings, search engine settings, and pinned tabs, while keeping your favorites and saved passwords in most cases. After the reset, close Edge completely and open it again. Test the browser and see if the error code is gone. Now, if the issue still continues, the next thing to check is your extensions. Sometimes one bad extension can cause Edge to crash, freeze, or throw error codes on certain websites. To disable them, click the 3 dots again, go to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. Here you'll see every extension installed in Edge. Turn them off one by one, especially ad blockers, VPN tools, coupon tools, or any extension you've recently added. After disabling each one, refresh the page and test whether the error disappears. If the problem is fixed, you've found the extension causing the conflict. You can leave it disabled or remove it completely. If you want to be extra thorough, you can also restart your computer after making these changes. That helps ensure all browser processes are fully refreshed. Then open Microsoft Edge again and try visiting the same site that was showing the error code. In most cases, one of these 3 steps will solve the issue and get the browser working normally again. So to recap, clear your browsing cache, reset browser settings, and disable conflicting extensions. These are the fastest and most reliable ways to fix Microsoft Edge error codes. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.